Hey everyone, welcome to this shortwave channel, and look what I received today. Something to test out. The brand new Tecsun AN-48X active loop antenna. So this is an antenna that promises to have good performance for anyone wanting to have a compact antenna to improve reception on shortwave and longwave and medium wave, of course. Nice little package. I find that it comes in a very nice box. So let's open the box and see what's inside. So of course we have this. We have of course the, let's try to take this out without breaking anything. So here you've got of course the controller box with the capabilities for tuning. So this is kind of nice. Frequency tuning, signal level controls, and power on-off power switch that we'll be of course testing out. You have the main antenna here, which is to be by a window or this, positioned where noise is the lowest, of course, with a switch for shortwave, medium wave, and long wave. So this is going to be interesting to test out for sure. And of course this plugs in here. Another part for the loop antenna, of course, is over here. This is the central part, I believe, that will be extended to actually create some kind of a loop, if you want. It's kind of a telescopic antenna that's being used for the purpose of having the loop. So this is nice. What else is in the box? A little instruction manual on how to set it up with little schematics or pictures to show you how to properly set up the device. And below it, feels like unboxing a smartphone. Kind of nice. Look at that, all the cabling required. So we'll check that out. So all the cabling required. So we have this little panel here. It's kind of interesting. Little panel. All the antenna connectors that you can dream of to hook it up, including alligator clips to hook it up to a telescopic antenna, the wires, and a frame for, we'll see what, a little later. It says here, the base station. This is the base station. So, okay, we'll be checking out what we're going to do with this. Probably different ways to hook it up for sure. So kind of nice package. All the connectors, BNC, SMA, and all the audio type cables, RCA. Really nice. I'm gonna check that out for sure. And of course, upcoming videos and upcoming review of all of this on the channel, of course, as we will be testing out this Tecsun AN-48X active loop long wave, medium wave, shortwave antenna on the channel. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thanks for watching.